Hi everybody, these are the essay planning slides for Can Money Buy Happiness? So I'm going to be going over in this video the directions for how to complete these essay planning slides, and I'm going to go over a little bit of what you need to do on each one. I'll show you examples as we go along. Okay, so these planning slides are based on the prompt Can Money Buy Happiness? The other day in class on Friday, I introduced you all to this prompt. I'm going to read it again. After reading the sources, write a multi-paragraph essay arguing your position on the issue of whether or not money can buy happiness. Be sure to cite the text to strengthen your argument and address opposing sides. We all then went ahead and read source 1 and source 2. I had you annotate both of them. We haven't quite looked at source 3 and source 4, which we will be looking at today, but I'm going to have you annotate and take a stance today on whether you do think money can buy happiness. Whether that is a yes or a no. So on this slide, slide 2, you have nothing to do. I just wanted to reiterate, here's the prompt for you. Slide 3 is what you will actually have to do. Now, we went over this in class, the to-do words and the what verbs. In class, you guys actually went ahead and highlighted and then underlined. So you highlighted the to-do verbs, to-do words, which are verbs, and you underlined the what verbs. So as an example, the word write was a verb. That was our to-do. What we have to actually do as writers. We have to write. What are we writing? A multi-paragraph essay. Okay? So we go back to here. See where it says type here? Go ahead and, I'm going to fix the screen so you guys can see the whole thing. So go ahead and get rid of where it says type here. You're going to write the word write on what? You're going to go ahead and write a multi-paragraph essay. That's it. Okay. You're going to do that for each of the verbs that we identified together in class. Again, we did this together in class. This should honestly not take that long, you guys. We did it together. If you were not here or you were not able to do it in class, go back, read it. You know how to do this. You've done this with Miss Matthews. Okay, so you do have to complete slide 3. Slide 4, you don't have to complete electronically here. These are just our sources, okay? Make sure that you are going through and reading. We've read source 1 and 2. We're just going to go over source 3 and 4 to annotate. That's going to help us choosing our side. Slide 5, this is as far as we're going to get on Monday, really. But what you guys are going to go ahead and do is you're going to choose pro or con after reading. Do you think money can buy happiness, or can it not? For those of you that think it can, you're going to provide 3 direct pieces of evidence here. So 3 quotes, okay? There should be one from the no article, there should be one from the yes article most likely, and there's most likely going to be one from the infographics. You're going to take them straight from the article. So I provided this article online for you all. So when you look at it on Google Classroom, it looks like this. Here is the argumentative prompt. You click it open, it'll take you to this article. So let's say that you decide to take this right here. You highlighted this when you're reading in class. Food can make you feel instantly good. Okay? And then you read on about how treating yourself to a new outfit can also increase happiness. You say, you know what, I really like that. I'm going to copy and paste that, go back. Right here where it says type here, I'm going to go ahead, put that. Make sure it's in direct quotes. Okay, we're going to cite our sources. For those of you that have forgotten what citing our sources is, I'm going to put source, go back, source 1. Source 1. I'm going to put the author's name. Remember, that's important for tag Bellamy Richardson. Okay, just for time's sakes, I'm copying. But there you go. Bam. You're going to do that for each of them. But they need to be either pro or con. So these all need to be pro, or they need to be all con. Either one. Okay, moving on. Once you have your sides, you have your direct evidence, wonderful. We're literally halfway there, ladies and gentlemen. Now, you have all learned how to create a thesis statement with me. Okay, we're still practicing. The formula is topic, your position, pro or con or for or against, your 2 or 3 reasons, and your thesis, your final thesis statement. You're going to write it twice, here and here. So your topic, for example, is going to be money, okay, that's the topic. Let's say Ms. Ornella's going with this source and what I said pro. I'm going to go ahead and say money can buy happiness. Can buy happiness. Okay. My reasons are it provides comfort and resources and provides stability. That's it. Those are my two. Notice they're not full sentences. It's just little chunks. Little chunks. So then when I get here to the final thesis statement, I'm going to write money, not Monday, money can buy happiness because, remember, I challenged you guys to put that because in there. Because it can provide resources and stability. Period. That's it. Please go ahead and notice I cut out comfort right here. I feel that I can talk about comfort maybe when I'm talking about stability or even resources. So I just wanted to talk about how it can provide those resources and because of those resources provide stability. Okay? I'm just going to copy and paste right here. Bam. There you go. That's it. All you gotta do. Okay. Let's keep going. So, slide 7. Now, you're going to put your introduction paragraph together. You're actually going to create your own hook right here. You're going to create your own tag, title, author, genre. Your own background sentences are going to go here, about 2 or 3 of them, about money, about what you learned, and then your thesis statement. Copy and paste it here. Do not do the double work. So, I already did my thesis statement. Bam. Now I just have to work on the rest. Okay? One sentence, or 2 sentences. Okay? So these can be 1 sentence. This is 2 sentences. You already did your thesis. All right. Now let's get into the body paragraphs. Okay? So, what you guys are going to do on this left side, here you're going to find your concrete information. Okay? Whatever you have found from the text. But are you ready for this, ladies and gentlemen? You already did that. So right here, treating yourself to a new outfit can also increase happiness. Source 1 by Bellamy Richardson. You're going to go ahead and copy and paste that. Come back to slide 8. I'm going to give you sentence sliders on the day that we work on this, but you can use the sim ones here in the text that says, or the article states, let's be a little bit more specific. Article 1 or source 1 states, comma, always a comma, quotation mark, and then we put the rest of it. Obviously, you're going to have to adjust it because it looks super funky like that. Adjust it. Here, you're actually going to write your commentary. You're going to write 2 sentences, okay? So I could say, treating yourself to a new outfit can also increase happiness, source 1 by Bellamy. This shows that small forms of happiness can easily be purchased. Okay? Because in body paragraph 1, remember going back to my thesis, I'm talking about how money can provide resources. I'm going to show that here. Okay? This is one example that shows resources like food, clothing, and other necessities once bought can provide happiness. Okay, 2 sentences, that's it. You're going to do the same here, copy it from the article straight here. Your topic sentences are going to go here, so don't ignore this. I know it might look easy. Conclusions here, don't ignore it as well. Okay. Same thing for body paragraph 2, except now our reason is the second part of that thesis statement because it provides stability. Remember here, right here. Second reason, it provides stability. So another reason money can buy happiness is because it provides stability. Bam. That's it. I'm going to put a quote here about how money provides stability, and I'm going to explain it in 2, and then my concluding sentence. That's it. So same as this one, okay? If you're confused, look at the example, read it, and then read the commentary. Okay, concluding paragraph. Now, this is a timed essay. Rather than write everything again, I want you to reference part of your brainstorming, your paragraphs, what you've used in your essay. Don't duplicate completely. Don't copy it word for word, but use the ideas you've already used, okay? So if you have to restate your thesis in different words, say, ultimately, money can lead to happiness. So instead of saying money can buy happiness, it can lead to happiness because it can provide comfort and security. Notice I didn't say resources and I didn't say stability. I chose synonyms, remember, words that are like other words, to create that effect. Restate 2 or 3 of your best pieces of evidence and your overall wrap up here. 1 sentence, 2 sentences, 1 sentence, 4 sentences. That's it. Okay? So, if you're feeling overwhelmed or you're feeling like this is a lot, don't worry, ladies and gentlemen. We will be going over this for the next week. I just wanted to provide a conclusive video for you to be able to watch each step, stop, go back, and if you need to, ask me any questions you have. Alright guys, that's it. I've been talking for a long time. If you have any questions or need more information, please let me know in class. Other than that, I'll see you guys then. Bye.